Hello, I'm Risqat Balogun. I'm a master's student of biomedicine in the Department of Biomedicine. In this module is a practical class that entails molecular biology, where we're using CRISPR-Cas9 technology to actually cure a mutated gene in baker's yeast. In previous classes, we have tried to construct a DNA that carries a guide RNA at specific location that will help us to target the mutated part of the gene of the baker yeast. We have analyzed this particular DNA construct to be sure it has what we want in the cell. So today we're going to introduce the constructed DNA into the baker's yeast to actually cut at a specific location and repair the mutated gene. This module is very interesting because we get to see everything we do. It entails aspects of microbiology, molecular biology, and data analysis. And it's very interesting. What I actually find most interesting about it is the fact that you get to see results of what you do. At the end of each experiment, you get to see results if what you're doing is actually positive or otherwise, which is very nice. And the team of staff, very fantastic. They're always there to make sure we are doing the right thing. When we're in doubt, they're always ready to help out. And we get to work with everybody in the lab, nice environment, very safe and clear. And this is my partner. We work together on the team while others are working as well.
It's very exciting to be a part of the lab, and you're doing such a cutting edge technology using at the moment. So it's been exciting.